I guess I'm just gonna have to clean the carpet with the steam vac that's over there. Let's do a one filter check. Let's check the filter section. Lid trap is clean. Tank is clean. Not for long. Still need to clean out that area. That's gonna be fun. Huh. Now this machine is gonna sound funny at first when it turns on. It's still working fine as far as I know. Oh. Let's get it all set to go. Plug it in. Only if I get the cord. Now, let's turn it on and see if it still works. Yeah, that's like really loud. So I'm actually gonna carpet clean forward. There we go. Solution tank is on it. So I'm actually gonna move the Eureka over. I'm gonna move this out of the way so I don't use it because no bag. Because I need more bags. Which, on simplicity yesterday, I filled it up. So here we go. at the dirty water and see what the water looks like. Ew. There's a bit of foam in there. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find a way of mounting the camera. Actually, I'm gonna hold it. So I'm gonna... Wait, is there still a bit of hot water? Yeah, there's still a bit left in there. Okay, now the tank is full. Like, it was not even that half full. As you know, the show area has moved over here because it was getting a little crowded over where the furnace is. And yesterday I uploaded a video of the Power Force Compact, and I have one more side I gotta do. Now let's take a look at the water because alright, now let's take a look at the water because I don't know if there's anything there. Oh. Yeah, like, I know people like the steamvacs and all that. So this is why I decided to use this. Because yesterday I gave the carpet a good vacuuming with the simplicity over there. So and with all that dirty water, I will empty that after the video. So bye.